I am so excited to be doing this video. First of all, for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Melissa, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about my new business, my new baby. It's called Sunday Energy. Most of you already know what Sunday Energy is. I've been posting a ton about it on my Instagram and on the Sunday Energy Instagram. But I also wanted to make a video just to talk a little bit more about what Sunday Energy means to me and give you guys a little bit more of a close-up onto the jewelry. First of all, Sunday Energy has been a work in progress. I would say the past 8 months to almost a year. This idea kept coming to me and I just kept pushing it aside. I felt like there's no way, I cannot do this on my own. I don't even know where to start. And every couple of months I would try it again and I would kind of fail or hit road bumps and I would be like, you know what, maybe this isn't it for me. And finally I was like, you know what, like this, I keep wanting to do this and create this jewelry and I have to do it and I have to just figure it out. I know it's going to be difficult, but I just set my mind and finally things started coming together. I started meeting people who were able to help me and it all just came together. And finally, we are only a day away from launch. Tomorrow, you will all be able to get your hands on Sunday Energy if you'd like. And I just can't believe that it's finally happened. So Sunday Energy is jewelry and I just love jewelry. I like very specific jewelry. I like pieces that are beautiful and dainty and feminine. And that's what I wanted to create with Sunday Energy. I wanted to bring the type of pieces that I love and make it available for all of you. And the name Sunday Energy, I feel like I love the name so much because it's been living with me for so long. I thought of the name so long ago. And Sunday Energy to me is just a vibe. It's a way that you feel. For me, Sundays are magical. Every single Sunday morning, every single Sunday night, you're able to start fresh. You're able to plan for the following day. You're able to prep for the following day. You're able to start a new meal plan, start a new business, start a new class, start a new job. You're just able to start off fresh every single week if that's what you want. And I love that because every single time I'm gonna start something new, I always start preparing for it on Sunday and I'm always like, I'm gonna start the next day, I'm gonna start off fresh on Monday. And that is that magical energy that I love about Sundays. And then I feel like Sundays are always different. Maybe Sundays are your chill day where you're just putting on a face mask and binge watching Netflix, or you're going to church, or maybe Sundays are for brunch for you. Whatever that is, it doesn't always have to be the same. And that being said, every Sunday's energy will be different for you. And that's what Sunday Energy means to me. I just love the possibilities of starting fresh, and I love that Sunday energy. So I don't want to blab and bore you guys, so I'm going to jump in right into the jewelry. Tomorrow Sunday Energy is launching and we are going to be launching with 3 pieces, and that is what I want to share with you guys today. The 3 pieces we are launching with, I'm actually wearing right now. I have on the vintage gold digger hoops, I have on the Look Alive necklace, and then I'm wearing the Look Alive ring on my thumb, and I'm gonna do close-ups of everything for you guys. I'll start off with the earrings. I've been wearing these hoops non-stop. If you look back on my videos, I'm probably wearing these hoops in almost every single one of my videos, like for the last couple of months. And these are my vintage gold digger hoops, not gold digger, gold digger. So these are my vintage gold digger hoops, and the reason I say that is because when I saw them, I just got a very vintage vibe from them. Like they just look like they were, you know when you go through your mom's stuff or like an older relative stuff and they have some cool pieces that you can tell are more on the vintage side, but they're still pretty cool. That's the vibe that I get from these hoops. They're not like perfectly made. They have like this rough vintage kind of look. So when you look up close to them, first of all, they have this really beautiful detail in the center, like this really beautiful outline. And then what I mean about like they're not just perfectly made, if you decide to order a pair of the vintage gold digger hoops, do not be alarmed when you get them because that is the look of them. They just have this worn in kind of vintage vibe to them, and I just love it so much. I love that they're not perfect. And that was the whole idea behind these earrings, a very vintage kind of look. And the reason I call it the vintage gold digger hoop is because I just feel like these hoops were made for my boss babes. If you're working on a new business plan, if you are working on your degree, if you're raising a family, like these are just the gold diggers hoops. Like they're kind of like a perfect pair of hoops that you can wear on an everyday basis, but they add a little something. Like, and then the following 2 pieces are again favorites of mine. I'm obsessed with the evil eye. The evil eye represents protection and luck, and I am forever buying little pieces with the evil eye. And this necklace I love so much because it is the daintiest little necklace ever. Sometimes when I'm wearing it, it's so dainty that all you see is the little eye, and it almost looks like you have like this tiny little evil eye on your chest because the necklace is also very like just thin and dainty, and I love that. I think it's the perfect necklace that you can wear alone, or you can layer with your other favorite necklaces. Because it is so dainty, it's not going to take away from any other necklaces that you choose to wear. Here, I love the evil eye so much, you guys, that I actually have it tattooed on my finger. I feel like it's so beautiful and it means so much to me. I love the way this ring matches the necklace. I didn't intend for that, but I feel like they're such a perfect pair because the ring is also a dainty kind of evil eye. It's a thin band and the focus is just the evil eye, which again is adorned with some small stones, and I just think it's so beautiful and feminine. Whenever you order something from Sunday Energy, you are going to get your jewelry in this beautiful little velvet pouch, and I really wanted to do a keepsake kind of package when I sent out the jewelry, because every single time I buy some new jewelry, I don't have anywhere to put it, or even when I order it from a store, they don't always send a little keepsake like this. Like sometimes they just bubble wrap it, and I understand not everyone is supposed to give you a little something to store your jewelry, but I really wanted to do that because I love that. I use my little pouch all the time. As you guys know, I'm always traveling back and forth from Maryland to Jersey, Jersey to Maryland, and every single time I am going somewhere, I pack all of my jewelry that I want to wear in this little bag, and it's just the easiest way. I can throw it in my purse or my luggage, and also it's just so pretty. And that is my baby. That is Sunday Energy. I can't wait for you guys to shop Sunday Energy tomorrow. I will list the website and the Instagram handle once everything is up. You actually can already go to the Instagram handle. It's called @Shop Sunday Energy. Make sure you're following me and the Sunday Energy Instagram page so that you can know exactly when we launch. I am so excited, you guys. I hope you're excited. Let me know if you love the pieces. Let me know what you think. And if you think that you're gonna get something from Sunday Energy, let me know in the comments what piece you have your eye on. I am working on getting shipping available for as many places as possible. Right now, we have it available in the US and Canada, and I'm also in the moment working on adding some other places. So if you're outside of the US and Canada, let me know where you want Sunday Energy to ship so that we can work on that for you guys. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.